Hi guys, welcome to this video about artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence such as recognizing speech, making decisions and solving the problems. AI has had a profound impact on our daily lives, transforming the way we live and work. So in industries, AI has been used to automate repetitive tasks, reducing the workloads on the employees and increasing their efficiency. AI is also playing an important role in healthcare, helping the doctors diagnosing the diseases and developing personalized treatment plans. AI has also made a huge strides in the recent years with the advancement in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, leading to the development of intelligent systems that perform a wide range of tasks. One of the biggest benefits of AI is that its ability to automate tedious and time consuming tasks, freeing up humans to focus on the creativity and strategic work. So, with this rapid advancement in AI, also raises important ethical questions about its potential impact on employment and privacy, as well as its responsibility for the creators and users. That these systems are designed in a way that aligns with the human values. Despite these challenges, the future of AI is going to be quite exciting with with limitless potential of improving our lives and creating possibilities of new humanity. So thank you for watching this video. This is all about artificial intelligence.